Welcome to MSTest unit testing tutorial. I am Venkat with around 15 years of experience building software applications. I've got the opportunity to work on world's largest e-commerce and banking web applications that are highly transactional in nature. I'm a software architect, trainer, speaker and writer. I have authored over 1500 articles and over 1000 videos. My YouTube channel Kud Venkat has over 150,000 subscribers from over 100 different countries with over 38 million video views. In this course, we'll discuss how to write effective unit tests using MSTest unit testing framework provided by Microsoft. So, why should we learn unit testing as a developer? Most of the companies are making sure their application code is covered by unit tests. There are several benefits of having unit tests. They help us find bugs early, significantly reduces production bugs. Unit tests make complex code easy to understand. They provide a form of documentation, saves a lot of development time, easier to change and refactor complex code, and developers become more confident. In short, unit tests add a great value to applications. So more and more companies are now expecting their employees to have a good unit testing knowledge. Whether you're looking for a job as a software developer or you are already working as a software developer, one skill you must definitely have is unit testing. In almost all the interviews, candidates are being asked if they know what is unit testing and if they have any experience in writing unit tests. If the answer to this question is yes, then the chances of you getting that job are really high. So what will you be learning in this course? Quite a bit. We'll be covering most of the unit testing related concepts starting from the scratch. By the end of this course, you'll be able to understand unit testing concepts and their importance and power when developing software applications. You'll be able to write effective unit tests using MSTest framework to automatically test software applications. You'll be able to answer most of the unit testing related interview questions. So who is this course intended for? This course is intended for all students who are learning Microsoft.NET and for all levels of developers who are using Microsoft.NET and developing software applications.